There's a reason why ingredients are the first part of the recipe. At Wholesome, we believe they make all the difference in the quality of what you bake and how it benefits those who grow it.
This is fair trade, which makes me feel really good to use it because then I know that it's going back to the families in the community where it was made.
Como cañicultor yo recibí esta ayuda a través del comercio justo para todo el pueblo de Yashua, yo ya solo a los cañeros, y no a todos, para el pueblo.
When you purchase fair trade certified products, funds go directly back to our farmers so they can invest in their communities through better access to healthcare, tools for sustainable growing, youth programs, and more. All of this ties our farms to your table in meaningful and impactful ways.
I really do feel connected to knowing where the sugar comes from. I feel their care and their love of what they do.
Yum.
Which makes this sugar and the things you bake with it even more delicious. Because the ingredients that start your recipes make all the difference for everyone. All the best for all. That's Wholesome.